Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. Let's talk about dimension in AutoCAD. If your dimensions are wrong, the problem is probably the units. A lot of people start drawing in AutoCAD, then later realize all the measurements are incorrect. To change the units, type UN and press enter. A unit window will open. From there, choose the unit you want, like millimeters or meters. Then click OK. But the important thing is always check your units before you start drawing, because changing them later can cause problems with dimensions or printing. If you found this useful, keep following and thanks for watching.